this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to make the Stickman character. So first what you would want to do is open up Photoshop or Paint or whatever you want to use and create the character like this, all broken up into different pieces. So here's the head, and two of these make one arm because we have to animate them, so it has to be in different parts. And down here is the legs, two for each leg, and the body. So once you have that done, you go to your sprites folder and import new asset and click your image that you made. You should save it as a PNG so it has a clear background. Once you have that imported, you go to the inspector and you set texture type to sprite. Then you want to set sprite mode to multiple because it's broken up into different parts. Click sprite editor and come over here and select slice and click slice, and then you'll be broken up into different parts. Now we can rename the different parts and set the pivot points. This is the head. This is the left arm, first part of the left arm, and you want to set the pivot point to the right of the left arm. Here's the second part of the left arm, set the pivot point to the right. Then for the right arm, you set the pivot point to the left. And same for the second part. Then all the different parts for the legs, you set the pivot point to the top. And then select apply. So now here we have our sprite with all the different parts underneath it. So now we need to build the character in the scene. So what we would do is drag the body. That'll be the main part of it. Then for the other parts, we drag them to the body to set them underneath it so they're connected. So this way when we animate, when you select a part that's higher in the hierarchy, the parts below it will move with it. So now we just need to set up the rest of it. Then you drag the second part of the left arm underneath the first part of the left arm. So those are connected as well. And then the second part will move freely on its own. Then you just go through and do that for all the different parts. And then we have our Stickman character.